Hello, good morning students. This is Neeraj Pal from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Once again, I welcome you to online classes. Students, as you all know, we are making revisional video for your upcoming examinations. In the series of revision, today I am going to explain about topic that is Windows Desktop. And student, this is the chapter 3. As you all know, your chapter 3 is working with Windows, that I have already mentioned here. Okay, working in Windows. This is your theory class. In this video, we will cover some more important topic. Those are Windows Desktop, files and folders, File Explorer, creating and saving a file. Okay, so students, first of all we need to know what is Windows. Okay students, Windows is an operating system. Okay, Windows is an operating system. Okay, Windows is an operating system. And what is operating system? Students, an operating system provide a platform through which a user can interact with the hardware using software. Clear? An operating system provide a platform through a user interact the hardware using software. Some popular operating systems are Windows, DOS, Unix, Linux and iOS. Okay, some popular operating systems are Windows, Unix, Linux, iOS. These are the popular operating systems. Students, there are two type of operating system. There are two type of operating system. Okay, there are two type of operating system. First is GUI and second is CUI. First is GUI and second is CUI. Okay, there are two type of operating system. First is GUI and second is CUI. Students, GUI is stand for graphical, U is stand for users and I is stand for interface. Okay, GUI is stand for graphical user interface. Clear? And second type is CUI. Students, CUI is stand for character user interface. It means C is stand for character. Okay, C is stand for character. The difference between GUI and CUI is only graphical and character. Okay, character. U is stand for user and I is stand for interface. Okay, once again listen me carefully. Students, an operating system provide a platform through which a user can interact with the hardware using software. There are two type of operating system. Okay, first is graphical user interface and second is character user interface. Okay, graphical user interface, that short form is GUI and CUI CUI is stand for character user interface and GUI is stand for graphical user interface. Okay, some popular examples of operating system are Windows, Unix, Linux and Android. Okay, these are the popular operating systems. Okay, now what is a graphical user interface? Okay, this is a operating system. Graphical user interface is a operating system. Okay, GUI operating system create a user-friendly environment which allow the user to interact with a computer using graphical symbols. Students, like icon, menus, and so on. Students, Windows is one of the most widely used operating system. Windows is most popular operating system. It is totally based on graphical user interface. Okay, Windows is the most popular operating system. You know, nowadays we are using Windows 10 and Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system. Okay, this is the latest version. This is the latest version of Windows operating system. There are many categories in Windows operating system like Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. So due to this reason, students, Windows 10 is the latest operating system. Nowadays we are using Windows 10 and character user interface. This is the second type of operating system. Character user interface. Students, this is also an operating system. Character user interface is also an operating system. It let you interact with the computer by typing commands. MS-DOS is one of the best example of CUI. Okay, these are the difference between the graphical user interface and character user interface. In graphical user interface, we can see many icons, menus, and in the character user interface, we interact with the hardware and software with typing commands. Okay, now come to the next topic, students, that is Windows Desktop. Okay, I hope you all are understand about Windows operating system. Once again, listen me carefully, students. An operating system provide a platform through which a user can interact with the hardware using software. Some popular operating systems are Windows, DOS, Unix, Linux and Android. Students, there are two types of operating system. First is graphical user interface and second is character user interface. Okay, that I have already explained. Graphical user interface and character user interface. Okay. Most popular operating system are Windows, Unix, Linux and Android. Windows 10 is the latest version. Nowadays we are using Windows 10. Okay. Now students, come to the topic that is Windows Desktop. Okay, let me erase this. What is Windows Desktop? Students, when you switch on the computer, the Windows operating system automatically start, and the first screen that appear on the computer after booting is known as the desktop. स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी आप कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को ऑन करते हैं तो आप देखते हैं कि उस पर जो है विंडोज बूट करता है, बूटिंग होती है, ठीक है। जब बूटिंग होने के बाद जो फर्स्ट स्क्रीन हमें दिखाई देती है दैट इज कॉल्ड डेस्कटॉप। It contains small graphical symbols that is known as icon. Okay, look here. Suppose that this is your monitor. When you will start your computer system, you will see here some small graphical pictures that is called icon. Okay, this is icon. Clear students? जब भी आप कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को ऑन करते हैं जो फर्स्ट स्क्रीन आपको दिखाई देती है that is called desktop, एंड जो उसपे छोटे छोटे आइकॉन्स बने होते हैं, ठीक है, पिक्चर्स जो होते हैं, ग्राफिकल सिंबल्स जो होते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं आइकॉन। क्लियर? And the horizontal bar you will see bottom of the desktop, this is called taskbar. This is called taskbar. And extremely left side of the taskbar you will see a start button. This is start button. Okay. Clear everyone? Students, start button is the most frequently used button on the desktop. Clicking on the start button, it displays the various options in the form of menus. Students, when you will click on the start button, it will open a start menu. There you can find various options in the form of menus. Okay, students. The next topic, that is files and folder, I will explain in my next video. Till then students, goodbye. Thank you for watching my video students. Bye bye. Have a nice day.